3, 2, 1, girls wanna have fun. If the man don't dance, he's done. Tell him move on, get the man gone. Now can I get a Coke with my rum? 3, 6, 9, girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man he a joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke. 3, 2, 1, girls wanna have fun. If the man don't dance, he's done. Tell him move.
Hey guys, so right now we're downtown on College and Bathurst. We're going to our first gay club. I'm so excited to try this experience.
Happy Pride Month, guys.
Happy Pride Month. So we're gonna go to the gay club and turn up.
Ayana, I want some more.
Cheyenne's such a grabby.
I want to get drunk and fuck up a party. I want the party. Bitches on my dick and bitches on my party. I don't care because I'm pumping up a party. LGBTQ PC.
I'm getting a vagina.
We ain't getting that because we poppin'. I'm coming through and getting stopping. Don't talk to me because I'm popping and chopping. I don't care because you looking and knocking. Hey. Fist pump if you're really happy. Jump up if you're really mappy. I don't care about a bum bitch.
What's Azalea Banks? So yeah, like I said, we're going to a gay bar. Whatever. We're going to a bar.
What?
Okay, come.
So, next to like over there. No, we didn't.
classmates. You see us at the club, that we're losing. I can't win, just how we get first key. It's just me that we got right on me. If you want to hear this, get me.
Dance her life away. It's time to go home.
It's a good name, trust me. Sometimes you know.
Au revoir. Bye bye. Okay, so we're leaving now.
I have the most amount of fun. You just can't talk to me. I am the baddest bitch. I am one seat. I am the baddest bitch. I twerked in the front beat. I saw the
Shan danced with every fucking person she could dance with.
Of course.
Like,
I'm so happy. Did you rip your dress or is it like that?
It's like that.
oh, but see,
I had a voguing party, bitch.
just go fucking Vogue. I had no space on my phone. Shan, stop. You could bill, you know. Last one to the car is a rotten egg. Okay, so yeah, I had fun. I would go back. I would definitely go back. Where we gonna go eat? Shoot a Markham station, but like one that's in downtown, because that would make more sense. Hello, good night. That would make more sense.
So these bitches wanna be on my dick like every day we at.
Shay, if you fucking rap, I'm gonna kick you out the car.
It's Spadina. You can't kick me in the car because
Okay.
I'm finer. Bitch, you better stop.
You better find Scarborough Thompson there.
Bitch, you can't open the door because you drunker than a motherfucker. But we don't drink and drive.
Stop rapping.
So right now, guys, we are looking for somewhere to eat. I know.
If you sound like you're rapping one more time, I'm gonna punch you.
I know
so
you
hard.
can't see me, but you're gonna see me.
Sullivan,
I'm the
after
baddest
Sullivan is
bitch.
Adelaide.
Ooh, spit it.
I wasn't rapping. I
Oh.
was saying after Sullivan.
Ooh. She said she wasn't spitting, but she was spitting, trying to get it. I'ma get it how I live it. Okay, I'm done.
If you see a broke man sign, if the man can't whine, you gotta get next in line.